This is a short video focused on the various ways of exporting data to external files in PCAs. First, behind many forms, there is an Excel button that allows you to export the entire record set behind a specific form. Let's hit F3 to open the complex list view form. You will find there is this button with the Excel icon. The button will allow you to export all primary complex records. Let's try now F4 to open the document list view form, and you will find there is the same Excel icon to export all document records, since these are now the records behind the form. Second, you will also find the button in the query results form, so depending upon the query you run and visualize in the query results, you can also export to Excel more specific sets of records of your choice. Third, under the quick menu form, here, or Utilities tab, Import-Export tab, you will also find a variety of export routines from the comments left by users and verifiers to complex objects and identifiers to the PCA's dictionary. In the Import-Export tab, temptiness is to click on the button Export data to external packages. Here, you will only get this message. In other words, there is no single routine that exports data to external packages. However, in the query results form, several data analysis and visualization options automatically organize the data in the required format of a selected software, for example a KML file for Google Earth Pro or QGIS, the Graph Exchange XML file for Gephi, and so on. The button Export Data in Story View Form Word is a distinguishing feature of PCAs. No other Cactus Programs computer-assisted data analysis software such as HLSTI, MaxQDA, and Vivo allow you to do that. It will export to Word your data organized in a narrative form, the 5 W's plus H of who, what, when, where, why, and how. If you have set up your grammar of data collection with these narrative items, the export form provides a variety of options on how to visualize the narrative output, whether the object names and identifiers should be displayed in condensed or uncondensed form, whether the document cross-references, users, and verifier comments should also be displayed, the font size and colors to be used. Let's give it a go in its default format. And here is the output of one of the two stories. The output displays on top all the documents cross-referenced to the primary complex. All identifiers, at least for the hierarchical complex objects, are displayed in gray. Strings taken from the documents are printed in blue. Embedded hierarchical objects, for example event or semantic triplet in the sample database, are printed in green. Comments left by a verifier for the user who coded the data and not yet dealt with by the user are printed in red. They would be printed in orange if the user had dealt with the verifier's comment. The main characteristics of this output is that it's very easy to read as a story. As such, it provides a great tool for checking the reliability of the coded data. The output must make sense to any competent user of the language. For example, it must possess semantic coherence. Do watch the videos on generating data story and verifying data story for more information.